The Lord, who searches the depths of your heart, is stirring your spirit and asking you to pause and listen intently to His voice. He is preparing you for a divine shift, a holy realignment that will set the course of your life on a path of greater purpose and destiny today. Dearest child of the Most High, the heavens are speaking to you urgently because a divine moment has arrived. God Himself is speaking to you, and this message is not meant to be ignored or brushed aside because the Creator of the universe has a word specifically for you. Heaven is opening up for you, and God is arranging everything to your advantage so that you might undergo a powerful metamorphosis. Do not be scared, dear, as you are about to enter a season of divine intervention in which God Himself will work powerfully in your life, changing what needs to be changed, healing what needs to be healed, and establishing what needs to be established. Accept this time with hope and faith. God is calling you to join Him in faith to prepare your soul for the wonders He is about to reveal. His hand is upon you, and the change you have long desired is drawing. He is guiding you into a future full of His glory, a future greater than anything you have ever experienced before. He is bringing you from a place of struggle into a season of divine victory. It's almost time for you to take a step forward in your faith, child of God, because your path is being straightened, your heart is being prepared, and the new season you've been waiting for is just around the corner. Have faith in the Lord's promises, because His plans for you are good, and He will never abandon you. Share this video to help others enter this divine awakening. Though the weight of the present moment may seem unbearable, do not allow it to consume your thoughts or overshadow my promises. God's hand is upon you, beloved. The season of transformation is upon you. Keep in mind that your breakthrough will far surpass the trials you have endured. The seasons of heartache and uncertainty are but stepping stones to the glory I have prepared for you. Maintain your focus on the happiness that is in front of you. Just as I placed joy before Him, I have placed joy before you. Hold on to that vision. It will serve as the fulcrum that propels you to victory. I am urging you to put your faith in me, in all of your choices. My Son endured the cross with His eyes fixed on the joy of redemption, for the joy that was in front of Him. The uneasiness you experience is not meant to hurt you, but rather to reroute you. There's a reason why some doors are still closed. I'm setting up a bigger opportunity than you can even fathom. Trust in my timing, for I see the road ahead, and my plans are to prosper you, not to harm you, to give you a hope. And a future life can shift in an instant. One moment may be filled with celebration, and the next with sorrow. Yet every moment is a gift, a reminder of the fleeting nature of earthly things' treasure, what truly matters. The love I have placed in your heart, the blessings I have poured into your life, and the purpose I have given you, even in the face of loss. Know this: I am the restorer of all things. I will exchange your ashes for beauty and turn your mourning into joy. The enemy has sought to destroy you from the beginning, for he knows the greatness I have placed within you. But my child, no weapon formed against you shall prosper. My hand has been upon you, shielding you from harm, preserving you for such a time as this. I have crowned you with favor, and the darkness cannot overcome you. Stand firm, for I am your defender, and I have never left your side. Look to Job, who in the midst of his suffering held on to my promise when it seemed like all was lost. I declared, I will yet fill your mouth with laughter and your lips with shouts of joy. Though the fulfillment came later, it came with double the blessing. Trust me, child, for I am faithful to my word. What you endure now will give way to a joy you cannot yet fathom. The beauty of life lies not in reversing the past, but in growing from it. Every struggle, every victory, and every tear has molded you into who you are. Let wisdom, understanding, and love lead you, because these are the results of walking closely with me. Do not wallow in regret or fear, but instead move forward with the knowledge that I am creating everything from scratch, even now, and that what you perceive as delays is actually my divine orchestration. What you think are failures are actually preludes to something bigger, like trust that I'm working on behind the scenes. No one can stop my child from being strong in their faith because I will bless them beyond measure. Moving mountains you cannot see, opening doors. My rescue and light come from the Lord. Whom should I fear? The Lord is my life's stronghold. I have no reason to fear him. My goodness is rooted in my unwavering nature and does not depend on your circumstances, even when life seems chaotic. I am your constant, keeping everything together. Rest in me because my plans are for your ultimate good and my glory dream. When you identify limitations in what I have planned, boldly compare it to what you have in mind for yourself. I see countless opportunities. Get ready for an abundance of blessings to pour into your heart. Happiness, abundance, and health restoration. The Lord tells you today, my child, to not be afraid because I have promises for your future that are far greater than anything you could ever imagine. Prepare yourself because I am going to pour out blessings in your life that will surpass your highest expectations. I am not a God of just enough. I am a God of more than enough. Your dreams are like seeds, and I am the one who waters them to grow into something extraordinary. Trust me. Declare your readiness for everything I have in store. Type 333 and step into the abundance of my love. The long-awaited miracles are on their way and will show up when they're ready. By the end of this week, you will reflect on how your life has changed and how your worries and fears have been replaced with the peace that only I can give. The stress and frustrations you have carried, the sleepless nights, and the burdens on your heart will soon be behind you. I will take away your pain and replace it with love, joy, and healing. Let go of the weight of the world because I am here to take care of you. Trust in my provision because I will provide everything you need and much more than you could ever imagine. Be ready because I will eliminate every bad influence that has stood in your way, close any doors that could cause you harm, and open up new avenues for success and prosperity. Remember, my dear child, that you are incredibly loved, cherished, and never alone. I am your God, and I will always be here to walk with you through every season of life. My promises are true, and my blessings will flow. I am with you, and I will guide you through every challenge, giving you comfort, strength, and the assurance of my love. Absent end type. If you trust in God's promises, you will see that I am creating everything from scratch and that the skies are breathing life, rejuvenation, and purpose into every fiber of your existence. These are not just words. They are the core of God's eternal promise to you, a divine declaration of change that reverberates throughout eternity's corridors. Imagine your life's intricate masterpiece being lovingly crafted by the Creator, with each thread chosen with care and every brushstroke purposefully painting a destiny more radiant than the stars in the night sky. Feel the gentle pull of heaven as it pulls back the veil, revealing the miracles that have been hidden in plain sight and are now ready to bloom like a garden kissed by celestial dew. Release the chains of your past burdens because they no longer define you. The Spirit of the Lord is sowing seeds of hope, faith, and unending love in your heart, and they will blossom into a harvest of joy and plenty. Heavenly clarity, a light so brilliant that no darkness can defeat it, is being pumped into your spirit. Get ready for the unthinkable, the abundance of blessings, the unwavering calm that only God can grant, the amazing healing. This is the season where the heavens and earth align, where the divine orchestration of your life crescendos into a symphony of grace and glory. You are not here by accident. You are chosen, beloved, and cherished. The world may try to pull your gaze downward, but God whispers, "Lift your eyes to the hills, for your help comes from me." Embrace the divine invitation to rise, to flourish, and to live as a testament to His glory. Declare your readiness. Beloved one, type 999. For heaven's doors are wide open and the blessings are rushing in to meet you. The time is now, the miracle is here. My beloved child, hear the voice of the Lord as it flows like living water into the depths of your soul. I see you, precious one. I see every tear that falls, every unspoken prayer, every hope that trembles in the quiet corners of your heart. You are never alone. For I, the Lord your God, am with you always. Even the sparrow does not fall without my notice, and how much more do I cherish you? My creation formed with purpose and wrapped in my boundless love. Take courage, for better days are near, days filled with my peace, my love, and my joy. This season of waiting, this time of pruning, is preparing you for a glory that will far outweigh the pain, child. When I close a door, do not grieve, for every closed door is a redirection to something far greater. I am the God of new beginnings, and I do not start what I will not finish. He who began a good work, and you will carry it on to completion until the day of Christ Jesus. Let your heart rest in this truth. I am making all things new. Do not fear the unknown, for every step is ordered by me, and every path leads closer to my perfect will. I am encircling your home, your heart, and your life. With my healing light, my spirit moves through the walls of your sanctuary, bringing renewal to every soul that dwells within. Trust me. Beloved, the answers you seek are on their way. I am turning the cries of your heart into songs of victory. The delay you've endured is not denial. It is preparation. You will sing with joy, for my goodness will overwhelm you, and my favor will crown your life. No weapon formed against you will prosper. The trials you face are not to destroy you, but to reveal my power in your life. I am your refuge, your fortress, your strong deliverer. Do not waver, my child, for I am with you. Fighting battles you cannot see, the victory is already written in my name, and you will rise from the ashes. You have grown stronger, renewed, and unflinching. You have loved, served, and trusted me even when life seemed to be too heavy. I see you, I know your pain, and I am lifting you higher this week. Watch as my hand moves powerfully in your life. Blessings will pour out like rain, soaking every dry place in your spirit. Healing is coming. Provision is coming. A fresh wind of my spirit is coming. Do not give up. You are on the verge of a breakthrough. Fear is not your inheritance, because God has not given us a spirit of fear, but of strength, love, and a sound mind. The enemy will tell lies to keep you from my promises, but you, my child, are made for more. Rise in boldness even when fear hovers at the periphery of your thoughts. Move forward in faith and dream bigger. Beloved, because I am a God of abundance, a God who surpasses expectations. Now to him who is able to do immeasurable more than all we ask or imagine, according to his power that is at work within us. Trust me to do the impossible, because my ways are higher and my plans are greater than anything you can imagine. And your dreams given to me will unfold into a tapestry of my glory. I have sent my angels before you to prepare the way, and healing is coming down like a gentle rain. New prospects are being matched and financial resources are being released. Your time of scarcity is over, and a time of abundance has begun. Be strong, dear. Raise your gaze to the sky and declare your faith in me. Say it out loud. I love you, Jesus Lord. Let your faith grow like incense, because I, your God, am with you, and I delight in you forever. Thank you for watching, and please click the subscribe button to be the first to know about new videos.